So the manual is very clear on the fact that the camshaft index marks have to be aligned with the marks on the cam chain, and they have to be at the top. The two index marks, there are two index marks on the camshaft sprocket, so they have to be pointing up. They're on this side, both of them. What that means is that at least two of the valves are not actually in closed position, which means that the camshaft has to be actually pushed down in order to tighten the screws here. So starting these screws is a little bit difficult. The last screws, the frontmost screws on the exhaust end, but it can be done with some amount of persistence.
So do you think it'll it's like not perfectly lined up here with the notch, but it's lined up on, it might be probably lined up with that one. Hard to say.
Let's see. Oh, these are new index marks that we have here. So these guys have to be lined up with the... Can you see the index mark on the
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah.
So this will probably sit like that.
Yeah, that does seem misaligned.
But this one seems pretty much on...
And they did say that there was an offset on the exhaust side.
No, but that's from this to the roller.
Let me see. What does it say here? He says this lines up perfectly here.
I don't know what else you want me to do. Undo everything? Do we have like a bit for this? I need a Torx. Do you have a Torx for this? That would be so much easier.
Oh, but it's going.
Not amazingly.
It's slower, Kama. It's going though. What is this?
I don't know. Number 3 for here. Whatever that we can do later. Can I?
Yes, there
Do you have a
is.
Torx for this?
Maybe it's even inside. Ilelo itappa. Oh, those things are long. They don't fit here. This is a T30 though.
That's not useful.
That's a T27, right?
Well, this fits too.
What? It is a T30.
This is T27.
Okay, we should use the biggest one that fits. We don't use that anymore.
Okay, I guess I'll undo them. What?
Adun undo madidre, you can't rotate it, is what you're saying?
Yeah.
I can see the index mark is with this side.
It's not the same. This is not perfectly lined up with that one.
Nice.
Okay. So right there. I don't think these are going to line up perfectly.
I don't think we have a choice.
I don't think they will, I'm saying. It's
How
not
is
going
that?
to.
Why is that?
They're going to line up close, but not exact.
Illappa.
So can you just hold this in this spot? See if I do that. It might get close, but not exactly. This one might be exactly if I do that. I think that's about as close as I can get. But they are still 16, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, and that's dead about that one.
Mm-hmm.
So I need you to just hold this here while I screw these thread these.
Okay.
Like this cam cannot move from this position, basically.
Okay, let me try.
Shouldn't be crazy, but
If its screw is started.
see, the problem is it rotates once you start them,
Yeah.
and then 2 and 4. Ooh. Okay, good. Oh, I didn't get this one.
I can feel it moving under my fingers.
I know.
So far I didn't sense any rotation though. ಹೇಗಿದೆ alignment?
Well, I mean, can't really tell, but see, this one is moving. Do you see that? But this one's perfect. It's the thing that's about as perfect as it's going to be. I'm sure we can crank it a little bit if we use the sprocket.
No, but here's the thing, right? They can't move independently of each other.
I'm not saying that they're moving independently.
Right, so no matter what you do, it'll be out of alignment. If this one is aligned, that will be out of alignment.
No, I'm saying that their alignment thing is not perfect. I'm saying in reality, it is not like what they show in the picture. That it will not be exact. It'll be pretty close.
Right, I'm saying, that's what I'm saying too. I'm just saying that no amount of rotation will make it.
But I'm saying it doesn't even matter in some sense because the cams are timed to each other correctly, right? 16 rollers.
That should be the case, yes.
And if that's the case, then you should be able to rotate it to the point where they are in that position.
Right, but they want them both lined up.
I know, I'm saying that if it's at all possible for them to be lined up when they're correctly timed, then it can only be lined up when they're correctly timed. And if they're correctly timed, you should be able to line them up.
Right. Why is that so wrong though, this guy?
Well, this one's moving too.
Yeah, well, let's tighten it. I don't think I have to hold this anymore, right?
Yeah. I also don't think we changed anything. But...
No. Well, this really paid for itself right here.
Huh?
The little driver thing.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll be surprised and when it's all in, it'll be actually lined up.
Yeah, we'll see. I got that.
So those are also not they're closed in closed position. I think if this is at the end of its torqueability. ಮಧ್ಯದಿಂದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yeah, well, it said do 2 and 4 diagonally alternatively, so I'm guessing 3 must be left.
Yeah. They're actually long threads ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದಿಯಾ?
No, after we undid them initially, we did it with this. Was there supposed to be something here? Certainly looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah,
What?
we'll find out. It has to go in like this.
Yeah, I guess.
That's it. There. That's how it goes.
That's weird. They're not grossly misaligned, actually. They're both offset that way by a half a centimeter.
So we do have to turn it though.
Yeah. I don't know how.
Well, once it's ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
You think we're going to be able to?
Yeah, with long enough torque on, yeah. We could turn the crank with the...
Yeah, well. It's true. Okay. I think this thing is done.
It's actually down to the flat. Here. The torque ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ end of the section there. Better get those middle ones.
Yeah. I know.